Welcome to our videos.
Video channel.
Yes. Natamad daw si Vladimir mag-record, kaya ganun. What happened to my voice?
We should make our own video channel. Ano? We should make our own video channel.
Yeah. Ipapa-connect sa ano.
YouTube. Yuhu. What to say? My jokes are so cringe.
Ay, nasa ano ka?
Sino?
Ikaw, nasa bench kasi ako.
R.I.P. R.I.P. R.I.P.
You were there. I bet nasa taas yung dead body. Wala. Who was it? Oh!
Sino?
Is the Rainbow Rayo yung same avatar as the girl?
I bet.
Wait lang. Suspect ko siya.
Ayun?
Wait lang, hindi. This girl.
Ano nagawa mo?
This girl.
Guys, watch me lock in.
Kasan siya?
Pupunta siya. Shh. He's going to get cooked. Get the hell
Sa
out.
may ano.
Huh? Ay.
You should have seen my screen. Bro is literally camping na.
Bro, I got to scoring ano. In the
Wait. I need to bomb jump practice. Day ano?
Hey, nobody there.
Day what na? No clothes on.
Day trade.
No, I've been practicing yung ano pa.
Editing ko lang siya.
Day
Day 66.
no.
Ay, my name.
Day 12.
What the frick are you?
Bro,
My name is Albert.
you don't have clothes on.
Oh,
Ano?
okay. What's your day? Do you understand the word that coming out of my mouth?
I'm innocent.
Ako hindi ko alam.
Innocent.
Sige, bet tayo. Pag innocent, you're going to die. I don't know. Ay, na-murderer ako. Ay, don't kill me. 1v1 tayo, okay?
Hindi nga ako killer.
Oo nga, pag-killer ka. Hey, he's a murderer!
Victory na agad. They bring back the... I just realized or noticed na bring back na nila yung oof. What the hell are you doing?
Is go. Is go. All the lights to say
I need songs. Cool.
What a fool!
Key.
Ha? Anong key? What did I do after?
I'm going to Spotify. Ay!
Yung avatar ko tuloy, anong klaseng avatar?
Dito ako tatago.
I'm ready to fight. Come here.
Dito ako tatago.
I bet. Ayaw, don't move. Ay, nakamali. Nakamali na. I'm ready to fight. Come here. Watch me. Look at this. Kaya? Ay, balik ka. Kaya? Tara.
Bro is not tough.
Give me that kill.
Did I saw...
Salamin. Try mo. Look. Hover. Ay, you laugh at me? Ano? so fast.
Tapos meron pala. Tapos meron pala siya aimbot. Magpa-music ka, bloody ang boring.
No.
Nawawala yung Spotify ko dito eh.
Is fake.
Dito, naka-active siya eh. One app is active.
I'm a voice to say a lie. Ooh. Okay, what if we do?
What if we do? Yung kahit
What the heck?
innocent ako. Ano yung song yan? Oh! Is this one? Is this one? Yung may blue na night. Ayun.
Okay.
What the hell is that? Dapat Russian song. Ay. Imagine nasa siya, basement.
Makalabas ko lang. Yan mga yan.
Ano yan? Someone may nag-paint.
Nang ano?
Ibang music. Yun. Is that Wait. Don't move. That clothes feel feel tuloy. That clothes sa uy, tulig siya bigla. Ano yan?
Muscle tayo.
You saw that? Wait! May nag-paint na disgusting, bro.
Really?
Oo.
Pating.
Wait, I will block the
Pating.
Ito, dito. Sabi yan. Wala na.
Siya?
Oo, this guy. Ayun yung may hawak na print. Ay, ayun, murder. Oy, bro, Jack.
Go fell first.
Ay, dito siya, gagi.
Don't go to me. What the freak?
Ayun nga yung sinasabi ko sa'yo eh.
Ew!
Paano? Pasuspect. Kita mo? Bastos, no?
Parang siyang book.
Oo. Ang gagi.
You better cover that.
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna cover it until...
Ano gusto mo? Flexing? Ano yung
This guy. Wait, sino yun? Sino ito? Si Dinosaur yata yun. Si Dinosaur. Si Dinosaur ba yun?
Oo, okay. Ano, flexing?
Search ko nga sa YouTube codes for painting. Itong spray ko. Hindi yung disgusting yung lang, yung cute.
Kamadero ako. Ay, ma-forget ka na.
Ano daw?
2 times in a row! Hello, sister.
I'm gonna hide here. Bro, literally rage quick. Bro got shoot by Bro got shoot by by a sheriff. The hell? Bro is gonna join me na. Si Capybara, pinapa-invite ako. Bro got the wrong person. Oh! Sabi ng isang lalaki, sabi ng isang lalaki, bro got the wrong person daw. Ayan na naman yan. Bro, you need to stop, man.
Someone stop this. Ew!
Kadiri. Kadiri. I'm recording.
Bro is a real gangster in the real life.
Innocent ka.
Eh, yun na naman, Joe!
Hoy, nilaluluan niya. Hoy!
Ay, deserve na, wala.
Aray ko daw. Sorry daw, sorry. Sabi na lalaki, sorry. Oh, sila yung aray ko. It was not you. Oh.
No, of course not. Gusto mo mag-flexing?
Ayan na naman siya. Timo siya. Ayan.
Hindi, wala yan.
Ah, wala.
Wow!
Free daw, free. Free. Who got killed?
Wala.
Who got free?
Alay ko! Alay ko!
Oh, someone got killed.
Got held.
Who got killed? Oh. Oh!
Hindi niya ako kinil!
Ano?
Oy, good luck naman. Arise ko! Arise ko!
Bro didn't even kill, Vladimir.
Yeah,
Only me,
I'm so
anyway.
lucky. Watch this murder disease.
Oh! Were you the sheriff?
Of course not.
Oh. What the hell? Oh.
Aray ko!
Paka? Ano paka? Paka daw, paka.
Paka!
I wish Roblox removed the
Daan.
yung chat. Para makita
What are
natin.
you talking about?
Para makita natin ang iba,
Oh! You trick us. Akala
Ay.
ko, parang i-remove talaga yung chat. So parang mga voice chat na lang. Oh yes, flexing!
Go do it again.
Ay, hala, you want it pala eh!
Huh?
Hala!
No!
Yeah! Crazy ah! Sabi mo kasi, do it again. What is that? You're so suspicious.
I'm dirty-minded, by the way.
Ako?
No, I'm dirty-minded.
Siya, yung dinosaur yung murderer. Yung mga sassy things. Don't kill me. Ay, Tung-tung! Tung-tung! Don't kill me, Tung-tung! Patay.
Patay.
Oh,
Puro sassy Gian eh. Puro sassy. Ay, sassy tuloy.
flex.
I'm top at your username. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Ay, Rico.
Oh, bleh!
Dinosaurs.
Di is na sir?
Skywars. Yun ang aray ko. Ayun daw ang aray.
Aray ko. Aray ko.
Hindi mo ginawa niyo. Roblox.
Meron lang yun eh.
Oo, kami. Kaya din eh.
Aray ko. Aray.
Babalik yung picture. Hell no.
Aray ko.
Babalik na daw ang pictures. Yung ginawa niya daw.
Aray ko.
Shall I shift lock?
No. If you want.
Who got killed?
So, it... siya. Siya, yung mukhang...
Oh!
Nagsislap ka?
Oh!
Aha. So... Ano? Flex. Sabihan na dito.
3 friends ang join na ako. Set daw. Ano daw?
Sabihan na dito yan.
My friend, Charlie Z. Join me.
Oh, I love you. I can't
Is
say...
that Pokemon? Ay, hindi pala.
Ay, no, he's gonna do it again.
Ano yan? Ah!
That's us. That's us. That's us. You look like a bat.
I'm innocent.
You are a sassy.
Bakit dyan? Sinabi ko pa dyan.
Huh? Hindi ako.
Hindi kasi ikaw yung print.
Tatlo.
Oh!
Guys.
Is the yung candy cane na kulay
Do my fire.
It's going here. Yo, patay. Ala! Huwag mo ganyanin. It means that you're toxic to others.
Bro, that's
It's
not
true.
toxic. Bro, not people do that, bro.
If I do it, so I'm toxic.
Sabi mo?
Eat na. Ito. Ano? Ito na. Ito na. Ito na daw.
Ito na daw.
Ano yan? Tin, ano yan? Hoy! Bro! Bro! You got to be stopped.
It brings up my memories. I saw you. You can't see me.
Ano pa naman?
You murder? Ay! Stop murdering people. Because if you murder people, you're bad. You go to jail. Ibig lang sama ako sa'yo. Shoot a random people you see, bro.
Yung nga.
Except me.
Tara. You're the first person I see.
I'm inside.
Hey,
Then it gets me. I'm me.
Bro got disappear. Disappear.
Discipline mo si dinosaur.
Siya yung killer.
Alam mo? Oh, jump. Jumpy!
What? Pag ako na-shoot na random person. Bro, you gotta be stopped. Ano na naman yan?
Ay! Hala!
Oh! Ano yan?
Hala!
Alay!
That is so sad.
So sad, bro.
Bakit walang balls?
Akala ko hawak ang beat. Yung kanta. Huh? Mamayan. So guys, this is our last video. This is our last round to record na. Yan na naman siya. Why did I not get murder after I get ano? Ano daw?
Ay,
Ha? Ay! Asan ka ba?
nagkita sa...
Ha? Ha, daw, ha?
Murder ka?
No, I'm innocent.
May lang, patay sa amin. Bebe, kasi para kami.
Sorry daw, ha?
Kamari kami. Kamari kami. Kamari kami. Bebe, kasi kamari kami.
So guys, goodbye.
Goodbye and thank you for the murder. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye guys.